You may have just seen the video on this. I just finished this door, and I figured since I was here, I'd give you guys a quick look at the chair. You guys might remember I'm doing this series, How I Made It, mikezdesign, How I Made It episodes. I got 4 episodes up so far. I think the first one was the one of this cherry chair. Let's talk about some of these details in here. I think you guys will get a kick out of it. All right, so this is a solid cherry chair. Pretty massive timbers. The arms on this are book matched, and they're compound curved, right? So they're curved on the outside edge, but then they also curve down this way here. And this piece here is curved up that way. And you might remember there's no mechanical fasteners in this. It's all just joinery and some wood pegs that you can see there in walnut. And the grain, I set that up to be center there. And you can see the walnut feet and the butterfly mortises because I joined 2 pieces to make that height. And there's a little tiger grain in that cherry. Of course, we have the matching ottoman. All curves, all these curves. And one thing I didn't mention in that video that I wanted to say here is this chair is a blend of many different styles. So it has a strong Adirondack vibe. It has a mission style vibe. There's a very strong Japanese vibe. This client, back in the day, used to go to Japan 5 times a year. And so a lot of the furniture in the house has a strong Japanese. We have the Japanese cloud lift here. So that's what I was going for. Many of you have seen this before. This is a hook that's dovetailed in to support the headrest. This is non-adjustable. I sized this perfectly for the client. That's exactly how he wanted to sit in it. And I'm just showing this off because I'm here and I did that video recently. I love these details here. It was a lot of work. Of course, I also did these floor lamps. And the sofa and the love seat. The entertainment console over here. The picture frames, the mantle, the fireplace screen, which is real mica. That's real mica there. I've got wedged through tenons. And that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed that real quick look-see at the chair. And you guys have a great day. Be kind to one another. I'll catch you all in the next one.